go inside it?
I want to.
I did too. We have all this popcorn here, Ruffians, and we haven't been able to eat it yet. I think it's because of Makoto. Makoto, are you okay?
It's a search party now.
Yeah. Bow bow.
No, it was blessed by me.
Oh, but you. Do you think you're some? You sneezed on me. I'm sorry. I was really excited. What the heck? Oh my gosh.
You are blessed.
I didn't ask for this. Nice pink. Short hair. Sister next to me. Pink. Sneeze yes.